Put your seatbelt on, strap yourself in, buckle up tight when you go for a spin. No matter where you drive, if it's near or far, buckle up all the riders in your car. 'Cause it's the law, and if you're in violation, an officer won't be right there to give you a citation. Yes, they're stepping up enforcement, sending out more police, 'cause Texas wants you in one piece. Put your seatbelt on, strap yourself in, buckle up tight when you go for a spin.
Texas leads the nation in traffic deaths, and because of that, officers are out in force all over Texas issuing tickets for seatbelt violations. Seatbelts save lives, and they can also save you from a fine of up to $200. Click it or ticket, it's your choice. You pick it.